You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this type of food. It is a type of thin flatbread originally from Armenia mainly, and other Middle Eastern areas, somewhat like pita bread. There are two ways of pronouncing it. In Armenian, locally it's pronounced as lavash, with a stress a little more on the first syllable, but I think the two syllables are kind of equally stressed, lavash. Now, in English, especially in the US, it's more commonly pronounced as lavash, with a stress on the second syllable and a more of a schwa sound, lavash. Armenian pronunciation though, how to pronounce lavash. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.